So today I'd like to talk about some of the sneaky tactics some estate agents are using to rip home buyers off, with the main problem being the ongoing issue of conditional selling. I mean, conditional selling is actually banned under industry regulations, but it's still happening. It's quite rife, more so now. What estate agents are doing is they're pressurizing buyers to use their in-house mortgage brokers, mortgage agents, advisors. If you refuse, they imply it could affect your chances of securing the property. This is clearly underhanded and is becoming more widespread, so it needs to be highlighted. If you give in to the pressure, you could end up paying more for your mortgage. You could also end up paying more for the property. You could also end up paying more for insurance services or conveyancing services. You should be allowed to shop around, hence the reason for the law. It's easy to spot these sort of pressure tactics and avoid them. Firstly, the market at the moment, when it's a little bit quieter, more estate agents try to coerce their customers into using their services. The main thing is I'm facing this issue because I'll have somebody approach me and they'll say, oh no, we've got to use the agent's conveyancer, we've got to use their insurance services. Buyers are basically being told their offers won't be not accepted forwarded unless they use the agent's broker for verification. So, the sort of sales tactics or sales tricks that the estate agents are using is they'll say, we're not going to send your offer unless you use our in-house advisor. You don't have to fall for that. It clearly states under the Estate Agency Act 1979, all offers must be passed to the seller. They'll also say, your offer will be more favorably considered if you use their advisor and their conveyancer. And this is also pure fiction. They're not allowed to discriminate against buyers in this way. They're just doing it because they're going to potentially make an extra £1,000+ pounds in commissions, and that's why they're pressurizing you into using their in-house advisor. You might also hear that before you can view the property, they need to verify your income. Sure, understandably, but you can provide them with an AIP from any other broker, or one you generate yourself. And if they turn around and say our agency has access to the cheapest rates on the market, this is actually quite unlikely. Most estate agencies work with a limited number of lenders. Just ask them for a list of the lenders to verify this. And the thing I want you to remember is conditional selling breaks the rules of the Estate Agents Act 1979, and you can quote that back to them basically. Agents must pass on all offers to the seller within 2 working days and must not misrepresent offers or delay them. So, what buyers need to do to avoid falling into this conditional selling trap is just show that you've done your research and show that you understand the rates that are available to you through another broker. Get an agreement in principle from a broker and quote the regulations. Knowing the rules can reduce pressure and empower you to push back against their unfair demands if there are any. Worst case scenario, you can always report any misconduct to Citizens Advice and any other relevant industry bodies, and that will help them, help prevent this happening in the future. So never feel pressurized to use an agency-specific mortgage advisor. If you experience this, just follow the correct procedures and report the issue. That's the best thing. Protect yourself and ensure you're getting the best deal without being strong-armed. Stay informed, stay prepared, and always know your rights. If you need any advice around this, please don't hesitate to reach out, and thank you for watching.